Today we're going to be doing some ASMR. Oh, damn.
Thank you.
What the hell are you doing? Thank you. What even is this place?
I'm lost.
Huh?
I'm lost.
And anyways, how did you get here?
I don't know, I followed some sort of, like, creepy walking guy, and I decided to help him just in case he got lost, and then he disappeared, and I got lost.
We kind of have to get out of here. Okay, who the heck? Come on. Oh, dang.
Whoa!
Well, it looks like you have to jump across if you want to get past. Or
There's a
go on
wire.
this. That's very risky.
You go on that wire, I'll go on this one.
Nah, who needs wires? Who needs wires?
I got little legs, I
can't
can't
jump. What about your
Whoa!
flashlight? I'll go get your flashlight.
I made it.
I'll go get your flashlight.
Throw it over!
Oh.
What?
Okay, looks like there's a goddamn hole in the middle of this room. Okay, I think this side's safe. Well, I say if you want to find a way to get out of here.
Yes, but how?
I don't know, buddy.
Shut up. There's no way out.
Yeah, there's no way out there.
It's like a...
I'm trying
we're
to read
trapped.
first. Think deep. Oh, I found a chair.
What is it? What did you found?
Chair. Gaming
Oh.
chair. I need it. Oh my god, the computer. Whoa.
What the? It's endless!
I want to jump down there.
We can't. The window.
I know.
Won't break.
Let me find me. Mike Tyson special.
No. Hey, do you know what'd be great?
Yeah.
There could be someone through that window looking at us.
Hi, myself! But what the hell?
Okay. We should get out of here real fast.
Yeah,
We need to find a way
Wait
out.
a minute, 1 second. Let me just check on my live stream. Oh damn, it has 10,000 viewers. Anyways, how the hell is this working?
Breaking news! 2 missing people have gone into a world that we don't even find and we don't even know about.